All right, here we have 2801 17th Street Lane West. And it's a 1970 trailer that's actually in a very good park. You can see everything is closed up now as the owner has gone home for the winter, but felt like giving a quick tour just to show you that the trailer itself is in good condition. It does have jalouser windows, but that is reflective of the age and the period. It has a roof over roof, which I will not be able to get a shot of that today. That gas tank is one that would be removed as it is no longer in use. We're in the rear of the home now, and what you're seeing is the back side where there are some pavers that the homeowner is giving. Incidentally, this unit I believe is furnished. It's essentially move-in ready. That is a small storage area, and this is a unique feature here, as you have a little covered lanai that is definitely not a feature on all of the units in the park. And you can see here you do have external units and a small step up. As you come in, you walk directly into the kitchen and the living space, and you can see it does have appliances, and the furniture will indeed be included in the property. That is your hallway towards the back, which I did mention it has 2 bedrooms, and you can see that a 96-inch couch and a couple of nightstands fits very well in here, along with a lazy boy. TV, and then space for a dining room table as well. And as you walk down the hallway, you come upon one of the features of this place that I think is very nice, is that it's actually 2 full bedrooms. That is a queen-size bed, along with 2 nightstands, or at least they're filing cabinets, with about a 6-foot closet. And there you can see, for the winters, you have the radiant heat through the floor. On the other side, you do have another small closet. And as you walk through, you can enter into the second of the 2 spaces. Notice there's an exterior door where you can leave, and then you have the second bedroom. It is smaller, but it is something that the rest of the park does not have in every single one of the units, especially not in this price range. It is definitely a project. As you can see, some of the panels may need to be replaced, but again, there's your full tub, bathroom and shower, and then a small closet. And essentially, it is ready to be moved into right away. It's currently priced right at $31,000. But as with every single piece of real estate, make an offer. And then of course you have, as we leave, a covered carport. As the realtor of this video decides she wants to hide. Just kidding.